Zep Service is a platform that allows you to make money by completing surveys and participating in market research. Here's how you can earn money on Zep Service. Sign up and create an account. First, download the Zep Service app from your app store and create an account. You will need to provide some basic information to get started. Complete surveys. Once registered, you can start receiving surveys based on your profile. Each survey will offer you a specific reward in the form of cash or gift cards. The more surveys you complete, the more money you can earn. Daily check-ins. Zep Service often rewards you for daily check-ins or using the app regularly. Make sure to check the app daily to increase your earning opportunities. Referral program. Zep Service also has a referral program that allows you to earn money by inviting friends to join the platform. When someone signs up using your referral link and completes surveys, you can earn a percentage of their earnings. Cash out your earnings. Once you accumulate enough points or earnings, you can redeem them for PayPal cash or gift cards to popular retailers.